Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Robinhood money. First, open your Robinhood app and tap the account icon. Then, select Transfers and choose Withdrawals. You'll need to have a linked bank account ready. Make sure your funds have settled, which usually takes a few business days after a sale, before attempting to withdraw. This ensures a smooth and successful transfer to your external account. Once you've selected your linked bank account, enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, there's typically a daily limit of $50,000 for standard transfers. Double-check that the bank account displayed is the correct one to avoid any delays. After reviewing all the details, simply tap Submit to finalize your withdrawal request. You'll then receive a confirmation that your transfer is in progress. It's important to know that standard withdrawals usually take about 3 to 5 business days to fully process and appear in your bank account. If you've made recent deposits or trades, your available withdrawal balance might be temporarily impacted until those funds settle. Also, keep in mind that options like instant transfers or wire transfers could come with additional fees, so always check the details before proceeding. If your withdrawal isn't going through or is taking longer than expected, first double-check that all your linked bank account details are accurate. Sometimes a simple typo can cause delays. For more complex issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood's customer support team. They can help investigate specific problems. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really make a difference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.